Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've just read in the newspaper, Russian spy is killed, shot dead. Not a regular Russian spy, no, it's an animal. Half whale, half dolphin, a beluga. I don't know how to pronounce. Anyway, shot dead. I think the Russians has killed this animal, and it's a shame. Yeah, if you kill an animal, it's not a good sign. Yes. Anyway, let me start with this one. Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku number 9216. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. But for a 3-star puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars, rather I think it's 0 stars or a 1 star. For 0 stars puzzle I need 14 to 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Alright? Question is it a 0 stars or 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always 1. Here, 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. Their dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also a dual box, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have a triple boxes? I see here 2 triple boxes, here and there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2. In this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Same for here. The inside box of the triple box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Well, this box can be 2 and that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions for that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, I do have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one. Oh. Overlook this shape. We have another one, but rotate it. Well, this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, overlooked. So in this case, it's the 4 or a 5. Here also 4 and a 5. Yeah. In this case, 4 and a 5. So we have a pair here. That means the other two numbers in this area are the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay. Are the other shapes? No. Yeah, well, we have the last shape, the L shape, rotated. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, we remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And yeah, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Maximum of 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. And then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Well. Alright, and now let me go up. This box can be 3. This box can be 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2. Can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Can be 4, can be 5, we have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Can be a 4, can be a 5, we have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 1. Then well, this box can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3 is connect with that box should be so 3. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area is supposed to be here. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 1 and 5, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 5 goes there. Then this box, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. 3 and 5, 3 and 5, okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 3 and 5. We have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes in there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Told you, should be at 0 stars, faster than 30 minutes. So well, pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.